Hello everyone. I just want to make a few statements or notes or whatever before I go upon this video. The first thing you're going to want to do to disassemble the frame of your KWA M93R II Beretta 3-round burst gas blowback machine pistol. Try saying that 3 times fast. Is removing your slide assembly and your grips. That fell out was the screws to the grips. So you're left with this. Alright, there's a few things I'm not going to be taking out of the frame for certain reasons. One is regarding the piece that usually comes out here. That's for your fire selector switch. That is no longer present. That has broke and is no longer a part of this pistol, which is why I'm getting rid of it. And I absolutely despise the assembly, layout, disassembly, whichever of this pistol. Secondly, will be this piece, this piece, that goes on here. So I'll not be showing how to take apart or put that piece back together. I won't show how to put that piece back together in the future. I don't know how to. I do it, but it takes a long time. It's so much stress. It's unbelievable. But also, I'm not going to be taking out the sears, and I'm not going to be taking out the mag catch, because they're so difficult to take out. KWA is a good brand, I believe that, but the layout of this pistol specifically is horrid. It's disgusting, but okay. Here we go. There's this piece here. This is your fire selector. Tilt that and just pull that out. Here's your safety. Pull that out. Here's your slide stop, slide catch. Tilt that up. Pull that out. A spring will come out with it. If it doesn't come out with it, here it is. Just take that out. That by there. Here's your takedown lever. Tilt it all the way up. Cuff your hand behind it. And this will come out with a spring, as you see here. That's your takedown lever. Spring, plug, whichever button. And here's your takedown lever. Put that by there. Turn it around. Tilt this, take this out, take that out, release this lever here with the spring. Careful not to lose that spring. Okay, now take this piece that you just took out and try and push that back in where it belongs. And on the other side, you'll see a copper or brass rolling pin will come out. Take that out. Take this piece out yet again. Take this lever out. That will reduce the tension between the spring located here and the trigger spring. Understand? Alright. There's a pin here. You're going to remove that, and that will reduce the pressure off the trigger springs once more, while releasing the trigger pin, as I call it, the trigger, and the trigger spring or V spring, which I absolutely despise. A lot of modern pistols have this spring, and I'm disgusted by it. The M1911 had it the right way. The first time, John Browning is the man. Okay, continuing onward. Now, there's a spring, not spring. There's a spring in here, but there's a pin here. Okay, that's what I meant to say. There's a pin here. You're gonna hold the gun like so, put pressure on this piece here that my thumb is on, and we're going to push the pin out. Pin will fly out that side. Release pressure on this piece here. A spring will come out. A cup will come out. Now there's a pin here, and there's a pin here. Release those. And the main spring housing will come out after the first pin. The second pin won't release anything in particular at the moment. Okay, turn the frame around like so. There's a pin here. Little tiny pin here. Release that. Very, very tiny pin. Then, there's a large pin here. Push that. Now release this. And yes, that was the foregrip that went flying. Along with one of the shock absorber pieces. Very small. Here's a larger one. You don't need to remove that nor that pin there. Just take the base off. Now, the whole frame here should come out like so, and the hammer will come out with it, and the hammer strut is connected, as you see here. Here's the frame, steel, as I believe, and there are the sears and knocker areas that I told you in the beginning I will not take out. And the one spring I told you will fall out. I don't know where that is at the very moment. It's very thin. Excuse me one moment as I try and look for it. If I don't find it very soon, that's okay. I'll eventually find it. But as you may have saw, it came out around here. But other than that, the frame is fully disassembled. And I will show you in the near future of how to piece it all of it back together again. Yes, and here is that spring that went MIA and decided to come back. And that's the one, like I say, came here. Oh, excuse me. It was attached over here. And I'll show you how to reassemble all of this, not just the spring, all of this. Except for what I noted in the near future. There you go. The KWA M93R Beretta 3-round burst machine pistol is fully disassembled, except for the mag catch and the little sear section. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This is unlike me to say, but you know, rate, subscribe, comment, whichever. Ask some questions, and I'll get back to you when I can. All right, thanks for watching.